mama says that I'm the best. My mama says that I'll go far.
She's out of sight.
My mama says that I'm the best. My mama says that I'm a star.
That's right.
My mama says that I'm in my prime. Who am I to doubt it?
Shout it.
My mama says that it's my time.
Mama did what?
My mama put me on the scene. My mama put me at the top.
Yeah.
My mama says that I'm the queen. Mama says the queen of pop.
Queen of pop.
My mama says that in the womb I was rocking as I rocked her. Delivery room.
Shocked her.
Said before my teeth could grow, I talked to my lemonade.
Yes, she did.
They were hoping my mouth could slow.
What a kid.
My mama put a pack of gum on the chewing would not stop.
Pop.
Now you know where I'm coming from.
Bow down to the queen of pop. Queen of pop first. Take bubble gum and you pop it in and you chew it.
Chew it, yeah.
All others will succumb when the mind just go to it.
Here I come.
Each and every day, those gums just keep on proving.
Yeah, this is true. You don't got much to say.
My mom can't come moving. My mama heard a proud fries that were surely worth pursuing. Put a Wonka from my eyes and said,
Nice teacher.
Yeah.
my mom should get my girl a going.
Girl, I'm going.
Threw away the wrapper.
It was a golden ticket showing.
Let me lift my trophy. Then I'm gonna let the mic drop.
Gonna let it drop.
I'm gonna sing bazooka.
Bazooka Joe.
Super Garbaruka.
Bazooka no.
Her daddy may own the shop.